Well, hello and welcome back to another quick 3-minute RV walkthrough. This right here is a 2016 Winnebago Tribute 31C. It's a double slide Class A gas RV that's just under 33 feet long, 32 feet 11 inches to be exact. Got a 3-foot deep dinette slide, a full body slide on the other side. It's got a V10 Triton as the engine, and it's a definite throwback to the old style Winnebago Braves from the 70s. Now, right when we walk in, you're greeted with part of the main full body slide, which is your kitchen. Also houses the jackknife sofa. 2 captain's chairs up front that will swivel. We got a drop down bunk above. Full electronic leveling jacks. 18,571 miles. That little screen's for the backup camera. We got a booth dinette right here that does have a televator that'll come up with the push of a button. We ain't gonna put it all the way up, gonna take too long. Bunch of overhead compartments that are on sliders. Technically, this coach can sleep 8 people. 12-volt electric only fridge by Magic Chef. Got a 5,500 watt generator for your dual ACs, inverter, drop down bunk, little pocket door for the shower, 3x2 pan, with the skylight. And then check out this dang bathroom is also part of the slide out. Look how big that vanity is. Plenty of room in front of the toilet when the slide is out. Dual medicine cabinets, big mirror, and a bunch of accent lights. That slide continues on all the way to right there. And the 31C, which was new in 2016, had an option for a king bed, and that's what this coach does have. That ladder is going to be for the front overhead bunk. Check out all the wardrobe storage in here and all the drawers. Very nice. We're selling this coach for $65,000. If you have any questions, I'll put on my contact info on screen, including my email and my cell phone number. Reach out, ask questions away. I'd love to help out. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick walk. Hope you guys have a great day.